How to use Box Zero EUUK trading app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Box Zero trading app makes investing in European and UK stocks effortless, but most new users make simple mistakes that cost them money. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is misunderstanding zero commission. Yes, trading is commission-free, but certain order types like market orders or currency conversions may still carry small costs. Always check the fee details before executing trades. Next, don't ignore the difference between fractional and full shares. Beginners often assume they're buying full shares when they're actually purchasing fractions. This affects dividends and voting rights. Another mistake: trading impulsively. Box Zero is designed for long-term investing, not daily speculation. Frequent trades can trigger tax implications and erode gains. Pro tip: use the Explore section to discover themed investments like renewable energy or tech and build a diversified portfolio around your interests. And here's the surprising truth: the best Box Zero users don't trade the most. They automate, diversify, and hold steady. Used properly, Box Zero turns small, consistent investments into long-term financial growth the smart, simple way.